Do you watch television, TV?
Yes, I love to watch television at daily routine because I'm a media student. It gives me a lot of information, as like current issues. There are some political current issues in Pakistan. Uh,
Okay,
so
thank you so much. You need to stick to the main topic and speak quickly, 4 to 5 sentences.
yeah.
Okay, now let's go on. Do you prefer to watch TV or use internet?
Mostly, I love to use internet because there is access everywhere. Access you can use internet through your mobile phones in no sir.
Okay, listen, stick to the topic. Do you prefer to watch TV or use internet? You say, well, it depends. If internet is not available, then I
Available
prefer to watch TV,
watch TV.
but mostly I love to
Mostly I
use
love to
internet,
watch
and
internet
sometimes I watch my favorite TV channels on the internet.
on
So
the
to answer
internet.
your question, my preference goes for the internet. Something like this.
That's
Okay, now let's go on. Do people still watch TV in your hometown?
Yeah, so many people are still watching televisions because
Televisions, no, television.
television because television is the first source of informations and news, entertainment,
Informations, no,
information,
and news.
entertainment, and because every home have a television.
Every home has a television, or every
Yeah,
household has a television.
television. Yeah.
That's it?
It,
Okay, let's go on. I'll ask you a couple more questions. Do you prefer to listen to the radio or watch TV?
I like. I prefer to watch TV because this era is streaming uh, broadcast television because you can see the visuals also with the voice.
Okay,
So I love to watch
good. So there
television.
are so many R's. After one or two words, you take a pause in the
Yeah.
form of R. One thing. Second, some of your answers are not very relevant to the questions. So try to relate your answer to the question, and you need to organize your answer. As I mentioned, 3 steps. So you need to follow that thing, right?
Okay. Thank
Okay, let's go on. How often do you buy shoes?
I usually buy shoes in a every weekend because I like shoes very much. A new brands like Outfits brand when it launched shoes, I usually buy it.
Okay, do you prefer to buy shoes online or in store?
I usually buy shoes online because online one can get information in a minute rather than visiting their outfits brands.
Okay, so this answer is short. You need to add some more, and you need to talk about online, in store, and all that. Okay, how often do you buy shoes?
I usually buy shoes in a month,
Once a month?
once a month, because I like too many I like wear.
Proper answer, because I like this and that. How often do you buy shoes? I usually buy shoes once a month, or if there is any occasion, like there is a wedding of my relative or friend, then I buy shoes. Otherwise, I already have a very good collection of shoes, so I try to buy shoes once or twice a month, something like that. Okay, you should make your mind clear, right? Okay, what type of shoes do you like?
uh, I like dress pant coat shoes type that I love very much
Formal
shoes,
shoes.
formal shoes, and I like very much that type of shoes because I usually go there for weddings or events, So I usually wear that type of shoes.
Okay, that type of shoes came three times in your answer. This is called repetition. So try to avoid any repetition like that, okay? Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay? All right, let's go on. Next one, please. What's your favorite language and why?
So my favorite language is English because I'm a student and I'm a ACCA finalist and my all books are published in English. And if I talk about the current situations in globally, and all the columns and all the informations were available in English. That's why I prefer English language, and this is the reason uh, why I love to speak and learn English.
Okay, that's good. Would you like to learn any other language in the future?
Not at all, sir, because as a native speaker, I already learn and speak two and three kind of languages in which I have speaking Urdu and Punjabi and Pashto. And the only language I need to study and speak in future is English. Uh,
Okay, it's
that's
good
all.
you speak Pashto and Punjabi both.
Not at all, sir. This is just for the examiner answer.
Oh,
That's why I
all
put in my
right. And I was
discussion.
so impressed.
No, sir. No,
Okay,
sir.
okay, okay. All right. So I should not believe everything you guys say.
Yes, sir.
I listen to you so carefully. Okay, let's go on. What's your favorite part of your hometown?
Sir, my favorite part of my hometown is Androon because as
Walled city.
old
Walled city.
walled city,
Or old city.
old city of
Yeah,
Lahore,
yeah, yeah.
because they cover the traditional buildings and having a lot of restaurant in which we offer and in which we offer traditional foods. That's why I prefer and love the old city of my hometown.
Good. Do you prefer to spend your free time indoors or outdoors?
So I prefer to spend my free time in outdoors because in outdoor uh, the uh, the good air are available for us,
Fresh
and there
air.
is lot of sceneries,
Follow IELTS. Yeah, fresh air.
fresh air. There is also a lot of greenery at outdoors, and
Okay, so overall it's good, but there is hesitation,
hesitation.
and that shows when you say
Okay.
the only way out is practice and familiarity with these questions.
Okay,
You
sir.
can do it, okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you. It's good.